We are a bit nervous, but we're always nervous for this day.
I'm absolutely having a jaw and very scared.
Oh, John, I fell out, John.
How was that?
Hey, freaking awesome, eh? Very good, eh?
That's good.
John, very awesome, eh? What a river, eh?
It is.
What a river.
5 and 6 was bigger than what I expected.
Some driving from the driver, you're not going to get a better level than this unbelievable day. It really...
You had to have boat speed everywhere, and we had it. I had a good partner who caught us in one hole, and we stayed upright, and that's the whole thing.
Did far better than we were expecting, and the river's far more exciting than
We will be back.
Yeah.
Please subscribe.
I think so. I think Hank is in trouble.
Look, I think it's probably the nicest water level we've raced the Umko on for many a year. And yesterday was like 46 k's of roller coaster paddling. We averaged 3 minutes a k for 46 k's, which is quite incredible. And it was a lot to do with the water. So today was a matter of biggest rapids in the country. And yeah, my partner was super strong and you know, had all the power and at the same time all the motivation, and look, we were super stable, so I thoroughly enjoyed it. So a hat-trick win, so yeah, really happy. I think today the highlight was definitely shooting 5 and 6. It's the biggest rapid definitely in the country from a canoeing aspect, and yeah, we got through. I don't know if it was clean, but we didn't touch anything, but cheapers, it was a rush. So yeah, we came pretty close to kissing number 6, and yeah, it was fantastic, great thrill, and happy we got here in one piece, and yeah, clean race and to take the win.
Being an outdoor power equipment supplier, the brand fits in perfectly with a race like this. It's a big part of our policy to encourage people to get outdoors and get active.
Cheers. Cheers. To a losing club, mate, sir.